welcome to my channel. I am so excited that you decided to join me today. I hope you're having an amazing day. We are going to be doing a DIY winter themed thrift flip. I guess I can't really say it's winter themed because I am kind of doing a short dress, but you know what? We're just gonna call it that because I'm filming this in the middle of winter. Please make sure to subscribe, join the channel. I do DIY videos every single week and would love for you to stick around for all of that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So just as a general rule, if you buy something from a store, you should always bring it home and wash it first because you never know and it's just good to do so. So this is what the dress looked like before I did anything to it. I was actually quite shocked. It looked a lot better than I imagined and it actually fit me fairly well, but I'm going to try to make it better anyways. To start off, I'm going to take this seam remover and remove the belt hooks at the side of the dress. And I'm doing this so that I can cut the dress in half because I want it to turn it into a top and a bottom. So I use this thing to mark the line and use a sharp pair of scissors to cut straight across. At the top of the skirt section, I folded it up 1 centimeter and then about an inch more for the second fold and took the elastic that I'm going to be using to make sure that it would fit in that little kind of a loop that I'm making around the top of the skirt, and I used some pins to pin it down and proceeded to sew all the way around it. Make sure to leave at least a 1-inch gap between the two where you start and finish, just so that you have enough space to thread the elastic through, and also make sure the elastic that you're using is at least a few inches, well, at least an inch longer than your waist or wherever you want the skirt to sit. Then you can go back to your sewing machine and just sew back and forth until it's adhered together. So today's shout out goes to the paper pad. If you guys haven't checked her out already, you absolutely should. She focuses on kind of pen pal letters, stationery, those kinds of super aesthetic cute stuff. I think her aesthetic is amazing. I would love for all my pen pal letters to come out like that. So I will be leaving the link to her channel in the description box below. Make sure to go check her out. So now that I had the skirt part done, I really wanted to work on the top. So I cut off like about an inch or 2 on both of the sleeves because I thought they were just a bit long and flappy. So I wanted to shorten it. So on the sides, I took these clips and basically you fold it up about 1 centimeter and then you do that again. This is just so that you hem it and the edges are nice. You could also just leave it without the hemming, but I wanted to do something with it, so I sewed it along there and I realized that this thing is way too big on the sides, so I flipped the thing inside out and marked about a foot up each side, a little in, and then sewed along there so that when I flipped it inside out, it would be much smaller. And here are the results. You guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have an amazing week. Stay healthy, stay safe. It is actually going to be New Year soon, so Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video, which by the way is going to be a room makeover video, so very exciting. Stick around for that, and I'll see you then. Bye!